I think in Florida, when you contact construction people or anybody to come work on our house, they say we'll be there between 8 o'clock in the morning and 5 o'clock at night on Tuesday, maybe. And that's not very good business. And Perfect Pavers said we'll be here at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock on Tuesday morning. We'll call you. And that was another real plus to having Perfect Pavers work for us.
And they were always prompt, they were always on time, and the work was mind-blowing.
And when they showed up timely, they did the work, they planned, everything happened. It just flowed nicely.
He said, I'm going to be there at I think he said 8:30, and it was like 8:30 there. Well, I could set my watch by him. Everything that I was promised along the way by every party was exactly what happened.